Korean car maker KG Mobility, formerly known as Ssangyong, has revealed the technical specifications of its all-new all-electric Torres EVX crossover, which will go on sale in its home market later this year. The Torres EVX differs from the standard Torres in appearance because of its newly styled front, which features thinner LED headlights, an illuminated grille, and new bumper intakes. The tail light include distinctive LED graphics, and the tailgate still has a distinctive bulge that resembles a spare wheel cover. The silhouette is maintained with a new set of 20-inch wheels. The dimensions of the electric SUV from KG Mobility are 4,715 mm long, 1,890 mm wide, and 1,725 mm high. Interior focus on cutting edge with a simple design that follows a style of a 100% electric car. The cabin accommodates 5 seats. The front console comes with a standard and long dual screen with a size of 12.3 inches, and the seat is covered with artificial leather and decorate the wood grain on the dashboard and a floating center console. It comes with a large multi-function steering wheel. The rear cargo space is 839 liters, which is larger than the 703 liters of the ICE model. Torres EVX is powered by a single electric motor with 150 kW peak output, and the power comes from 73.4 kWh LFP battery pack supplied by BYD. The new platform supports front, rear, and all-wheel drive powertrains. KG Mobility claims the Torres EVX can cover 500 km on a single charge, but the company added that in reality, the range is more likely to be 420 km. The Torres EVX will be available in 2 variants, the E5 and E7, both sharing the same powertrain and battery. The difference is only in the equipment package. KG Mobility has a starting price of $37,918 for the E5, while the E7 is priced